morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. Today is classroom setup day 4, and like I said yesterday, today will consist of a lot of work. I was able to get up at a decent time this morning, but I guess it wasn't too decent because here I am having to take my oatmeal on the go. Also, everybody go back today except for kindergartners. So I have exactly 1 week for the first day of kindergarten. It's really crunch time for real because I'm gonna have like a lot going on in between the days before school starts. I still have to meet with parents, and we also have Kindergarten Academy where they come in for like 2 hours before first day of kindergarten. So let's see what all do I get done today. I'm gonna start my morning by opening these Amazon packages first. Okay, these are some posters, motivational posters. Ooh, hold on. All right, so these are some motivational classroom posters, and this is from Haley, and I'm going to read the note. Here's to year 3, wishing you and the littles a safe, fun, and impactful year of learning. May God continue perfecting your craft and igniting your love/passion for teaching. Proud of you always, love you always. From Haley. Also, Haley is someone else who always gets something off my list. Thank you so much, Haley. I always call her Hey Bug, so it feels weird saying Haley. But then I got some thank you cards to thank parents when they bring in things. Have an amazing school year from David. And if it's from the David that follows me on social media, that always support me and everything, thank you. Thank you always. If not, please drop in the comments if this is you. And I have some water, and this is from Enjoy Your Gift from David Jr. Like I said, drop in the comments so I can know who you guys are for real. But thank you so much. Like, it feels good to know that there are genuine people in the world. Like, there are people like me. Hold on. Have a great school year, love, from Jasmine. Thank you so much, sis. And I think this is something that I'm gonna have to put together. It's like a moving cart that is needed. I'm gonna put this to the side and y'all gonna see me put this together. But thank you so much, Jazz. That is so freaking sweet. Oh, else that I need to put together. But I need to see who it is from. Gift paper, so how do I know who it's from? This is going to bother me because I don't know who this is from. And only thing in here is a user's manual. Please drop in the comments or text me personal to let me know who this is that bought this, because I truly want to know so I can give out these thank you gifts for real. I'm about to head to the office because I got another package up there and probably got more, but yeah. Oh, my arms are so bad for real. Okay. We maybe a little. You go first. Sure. Yeah. And I just got another package, and I bought it with my man coins. Yeah. And my man, thank you to my man. And I had a quick training, but y'all still gotta work,
Any of the specialists who work with the students, if a student has an IEP and they work with a special educator.
So I'm just showing you guys all the things that were done today. So the sound wall got put up. I fixed those hanging sounds. I put the shapes up. I'm setting up the spot for the calendar. Just got to get some more things laminated. I put some posters, motivational posters, over that ugly spot because that was bothering me so bad. And I really haven't updated nothing over here since yesterday, but I did pull out this rug that was in my safe place last year, because if don't nobody give me that tent, then it's just gonna be the same way it was last year. Trying to clean up so this janitor can vacuum this carpet. And I don't know where my recycling bin is at, but yeah, I also found this sign that a retired teacher gave me. So I'm trying to figure out, like, what can I do with it? I have our class birthdays here, but I'm going to add something else too. And I did add all my pocket chairs on. They so loud with that blue and yellow, but those were the only colors beside like red and blue, I believe. But here are the things that I need to put up tomorrow. And tomorrow, just call me Bree the Builder, because it looks like I am going to be putting some things together. And I really need to get some pillows for these pillow covers, and need to get that number line up and get some books in this library. And yeah, put everything where it needs to go. And these are some things that I took out of my classroom, like this file cabinet and this chair and this table and this other little thing. Hopefully somebody come grab it. If not, I don't want it. Not gonna lie, your girl is drained. Tomorrow is Friday, and I will see you guys on classroom setup day 5.